Two-faced Carmelo. Welcome! Yet another day of the Game Jam. We are at day, I think, 12. Yep, day 12 of 14. So, Jam ends on Friday. Today we've got Tuesday. So, oh, and before I forget this, let's do this bundle. I feel like I have no idea what music in 19 came out. Like apparently I should be able to guess it in one try, but no clue. I mean, it sorta rings a bell, but no clue. I don't know, is it Ed Sheeran? Probably not, right? Nope. No clue who that even is by. Except that it's pretty loud. Nope. Should I know this? I don't know. Like that. I've never heard this song in my life. Okay, that's taken care of. Time for Game Jam. Now, where did we leave off? Right, I was on my boss fight branch. Card changes, I didn't change anything. Boss fight. So, I had troubles with like attacks. Like I was implementing how the boss attacks, and that made troubles. Also, I realized that I need another texture for undead, but like without holding the staff. Because in the boss fight, well, we don't have like, I don't know how many staffs. We only have one staff, and in the boss fight, nobody is good. So, oh, and the vertical stream is down again. Yeah, okay, I reinstalled OBS today, but it didn't seem to help. I guess I'll have to do a clean reinstall some other time. Yeah, something is really not working with the vertical stream lately. I don't know what though. Anyways, let's not get bogged down by that and continue here. So, on attack timeout, so when the attack actually goes through, if we have undead, which is the normal character, then just play attack. If it's the boss, then the same thing, but differently. Wait, is that? Oh, right. I can't test it yet because that thing is not implemented yet. If alive, then basically do this kind of stuff. Except for this part, wait, if it's the anxiety. Okay, so what we could do here is var is hit. We define it as false. And instead of doing this here, we just go and say, don't count on me. We slap this in here and say is hit true. Do the same thing in here. Okay, actually, no, that doesn't make sense. Let's get rid of that again. We can't just straight up call the damage function instead of doing that. Oh wait, current character needs to need to check if that isn't null. So let's just let's just check that in here. Nope, that's the wrong one. In here, if we have a character and probably no character. So if it's alive, then it means that it is fighting the player, so the player should take damage. If it is not, if it is fighting boss, then it means the boss should take damage. Character index, attribute list. Yes, that should work. Now, time to test that, I guess, in all different scenarios. Let's see if the basic combat thing still works. I can die, cool. And I can also defeat enemies. All of that, very cool. Then let's test if the boss fight also works. Where did I implement match? Wait, match. Did I put it in here? Oh, yeah, right. That was where I wanted to use match case, but then just threw it away. Because it straight up wouldn't take that for some reason. So I mean, the boss is taking damage. That's okay. Now let's like buff the boss a lot to like test if he can also like deal damage. Let's give him 100k HP and one boss. Instant. Wait. Instance dot current char dot strength equal 100. It should one shot everything. Instance dot current char dot dex equal 100, which means he spams a lot of attacks. So he should now be completely OP and like kill everything immediately, which does not seem to happen. Okay, let's get rid of that print for now. And
tracing info reported OP.
Yep. Indeed, very OP. So, but apparently he doesn't deal damage, or like something else is broken. Character damage. Where is that implement? Why is that thing in here? Like, why am I checking anything in here? I mean, I'm checking if they get hit here. Oh, I should only check here. Should I check anything in here? I mean, I should check usually if it's a player. No, right? Wait. In here, I'm like only doing... Okay, I'm not checking if that is not the player. If I dot attributes isn't equal to I dot attributes. No, wait. I dot... Wait, what's... Oh, no, wait. It's not called I dot attributes. It's called I dot character index, I think. Dot attributes of I dot characters dot... It's... Wait, we are checking if it's not a player. So dot undead and I dot attribute I dot attribute. Wait, I dot attribute dot character index. Is right? I think that's it. Probably check that, but still. So that's making sure the character doesn't get damaged by
Hey,
this.
what's up?
Hello. Yeah.
Is that a 7X?
Yes, that is a 7X. One of my favorite bands of all time. That is very much a 7X. So, yeah. Currently, I'm just like finishing the boss fight. Currently, we have the problem that the boss can take damage, but it can't deal damage. Like here, you can see... Oh, right. I took out the print statement that said boss is taking damage, but it's not printing that any of the characters are taking damage, and the boss is currently in like very OP mode, so it should be one-shotting everyone that it's hitting, but it is not. Yeah, so we gotta check that.
Brothers making Elden Ring bosses cuckoo.
Basically, yeah. Like, get hit once and you're just staggered, and get hit again and you're dead. So, am I using that? Okay. The attack should be... Wait, that's using character damage. And in here. So that should now spam the terminal completely. I would expect it to. It is not in fact doing that. Because I think in here I don't connect the thing. Wait, connect. Nope, I did not connect the function. Connect, which is in here. And I removed that line because I wanted to do it different originally, but then I don't. And I didn't do it, and now Now it should work. Okay, we get in there. Characters got damage, but none of them are dying. Is that printing how many HP they have? Doesn't seem to change. Interesting. Current HP. It doesn't print has died. Current player strength. Oh, because I don't set the boss to that. I should do that. Dot current player strength equal to instance dot current char dot strength. Let's just do this in here so we have it like nicely grouped. Am I using this anywhere? No. Why is this in here? So now it should actually deal damage. Yep. Oh, they are only dead, not fully dead. Why are they only dead? Oh, because I'm using the player thing. Yeah, okay. Because I'm using the character damage thing, which usually is used by player. So like usually it would be used against alive enemies rather than undead ones. So now I have to go into character has died, load character attributes this. So I can change that like depending on if they are undead, it should be fully dead, and else it should just be dead. If fuck, how did I do that again? Attribute list dot wait a second. Attribute list? Oh, this shouldn't be used anywhere. Wait, where did I just do like attribute stuff here? Attribute. Did I? Nope. Did I? Load attribute, load attribute. Right here, that's attributes. That is wrong. Does that even exist? It does not. What? Wait, have I tested? Oh, I haven't tested that, I think. And it should crash, otherwise I would be very surprised. Yeah, there we go. Because actually that should be called attribute list. Yep. And now it should work again. What that is doing is just like checking whether... Nope, it is not working. Wait, access to property. Okay, characters in that. Oh, it's called character, not characters. Yeah, that's something I implemented yesterday when I was very tired. Didn't remember it. But now it seems to be working. Yes. Okay, so that's working again. Now, why was I thinking about that? Wait. Right, that was in the dead thing. In the load attributes. Here. So basically we want to check if the character is undead. Go to fully dead. If alive, go to dead. So we need to check if character index is equal to attribute list of character. Let's first check alive. Or was it character dot alive? Yep, like this. And attribute dot character index. So if the character index is the same as the character index from alive, then load the dead one. Elif wait. Elif dead, but with undead, then we load fully dead. That should not affect this script and everything should still work. Okay, let's test if I actually can. Oh my god. I had like the slowest attacks ever. Okay, I can still kill them. Like, that works. Then let's check if the boss fight now also works. Now they should drop to fully dead whenever they are. Now they do not take damage anymore. Oh, it's died, but they do not go to fully dead. Oh, because it isn't undead. It is fighting boss. Right, because those are two different ones. Nice, that works. Also, we need to scale it correctly here. Fully dead. The fully dead thing. So load that. Yeah, we just need to do this. Well, there. Which should probably serve its own function, but we only use it twice, so it's fine, I guess. Time for tea. Okay. That's great. Now the Elden Ring boss is perfected. One-shotting everything is basically undying. Now. Okay. Here. And take that out here. Now, I mean, that's most stuff implemented. Okay, next thing that I wanted to tackle here is right now when you load into the boss, because it's reusing the undead thing.
Play of me seller and I have shining light cone.
Basically, yeah. So right now the problem is I'm just reusing the model of the undead ones, which means all of them are carrying the staff, which doesn't work because they only have one staff. So let's remove that. Basic undead ace sprite. Was it that one? Yes. And we do that like this. I need to like now export it as like as this one. Yeah, okay, I need to export that 4 times. A sprite sheet, yes. File, export as basic undead sprite sheet in assets. Nope, not as a sprite project, is sprite character. Fighting boss. Like that. Then we need. I have the mirrored version as well, right? Basic undead mirrored here. Turn off the stuff here. Do the same thing. Export the sprite sheet per rows. Export as. Same thing in here. Fighting boss. Mirrored. Export. And then
Export as Helio.
I mean, fair. Need to be cheeked up a bit. And then the same thing except fighting boss idle.
VOD.
Actually, wait, I don't need to re-export that. I can just use only the 1 frame. That works. And I think I did it the same way the other ones as well, so that makes sense. Now, I need fighting boss walking right is assets, sprites, characters, fighting boss. This 8 FPS like the rest. Then we do the same thing for left. Fighting boss walking left. For this we need that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. That to 8 FPS. Then we need fighting boss idle right. Which we do like this. We only use the first frame. Frame rate doesn't matter. And fighting boss idle left. Final time, we choose this one, only the first frame. And there we go. Then in here, just need to change that to fighting boss. And that should be it, I think. That is the wrong scene. So here, nothing should change in the scene. Yep, still carrying this stuff. Perfect. Then let's see, in the boss fight now, that should be different. No stuff in here. Walking left works, walking right works, standing still works, as long as you don't get one shot by the OP boss. Perfect. Yeah. That's basically most of what I wanted to do today. And I guess now I've got time to think about what else I want to implement off of the list of things that are kind of optional. Okay. So, what was on the Polish list? Like the... Oh, we could be making sound effects. Or like background music, sound effects, stuff like that. Or like we could change the boss to like actually target characters rather than just spamming random attacks. Also change the attack indicator cones. So that we have like different ones for like allied and enemy characters, basically. That could be an idea. Or like add the skeleton as a ranged character. I feel like sound effects could be a cool one. Which sound effects would we do? Like in here, like I kind of want a sound effect for like this, when you like take over a body, like give it up as well. Also for the attacks. That also.
I forgot. You don't have SFX person in your team.
No, but like a lot of us have like experience in like sound stuff. And also we like agreed basically from the start that like sound is like an optional polish kind of thing. Like you can play a game with sound, it's just kind of weird. But you can do it. So that would be a thing that we can do. But for now, I kind of wanna like start with like changing the boss fight to be like more interactive. Oh yes, also I wanted to make a second phase for the boss fight. Okay. Let's do boss fight second phase. So the idea for the boss fight that I had basically was to launch this wrong scene again. That you start out by like summoning all of the bodies that you can still summon that are like not fully dead yet, but you left them in a dead state, so you can do necromancy on them and you like summon all of them at once and you start fighting the boss. And once all of them are gone, I was thinking that we like unlock the necromancer to be able to move, and then like it's a 1v1 between actually you and the boss. And like I guess both you and the boss have like stronger like stats in all regards basically than like the average undead would have. That's kind of the idea. So now we need to like summon like the I'm kind of thinking, how do we do this? Like I kind of want to have it like as a kind of cinematic thing where like you start out in like the boss room. You see
Sound is kinda important, I think. Cause even good gameplay looks kinda blunt without some sound feedback.
Yeah, exactly. I do 100% agree on that. That said, I'm kind of thinking like here I want it to be like kind of cinematic. Like you start out in the boss fight room, you see like the dead body of the necromancer, then like the necromancer stands up, camera kind of like increases the like screen you see, and you see that the like big evil end boss thing is standing there, and then like necromancer summons all of the bodies you can still summon, and the fight starts. And then kind of like a final do it myself thing when all of them are gone, and then you start, and like while they are like while the horde is fighting the boss, the necromancer just stands there like, I don't know, waving his hands or something. Yeah, and then once they're all gone, he's like, fine, I'll do it myself, and like starts running around. I think I'll start implementing that, and then we like look into sound effect.
Interesting. Perhaps you can show me how to do it. Cause I wanted cinematic for my boss fight too.
yeah, it's not gonna be very cinematic, but like some stuff I think we can get away with. I mean, we don't have a boss fight level yet. Maybe I can make a boss fight level actually. Currently, it's just like the same shit as everywhere. Just like a black square for orientation. But like I could go and like that. What's that? I don't actually know how like that level building stuff works that someone else made / is working on. And also I think that's not on this branch yet. What did I just do? Whoops. I don't know how to use any of these. Oh, I think we just used that and like rescale it? Ah, that's kind of weird. I don't know. I should probably ask them. Yeah, I'll worry about the arena later, I guess. So here, like the idea is the boss spawns somewhere up here. So, okay, let's just write down in the script like what we wanna do. Yes, that was just that. Oh wait, I shouldn't write in the debugging part. That should be deleted later. So the idea that I had is basically zoomed in at necromancer dead, then necromancer stands up, then zoom out, becomes visible, boss becomes visible, necromancer summons I don't know, characters. Fight starts. Can you do like time.sleep or something in Godot? Wait, I don't have Google Chrome open at all. GD script sleep.
So in the end you need to kill your own body.
No. That's just, I don't know, some big mob. Not necessarily a necromancer. Like the necromancer that stands up, that is you. And then you zoom out and it becomes visible that there is also like some other entity there that you have to fight. Wait, so what does this do if I do that? Print test1. This print test2. I just check. What happens if I run this now? Does this do what I want? Test1, 1, 2. Ah, okay. If I go and say test1, spawn boss, and we wait 3 seconds, spawn the rest in, and after that we wait another second before stuff, like 2 seconds before stuff happens. How does that look? Does that work the way I want it to work? 2, 3, 2. Okay, no, like that's. I mean, the controlling thing.
Nice plot twist. Cause then in the end the only thing is left from you is the weapon. So like another turn on theme.
What do you mean in that case? It's like, no, in the end, like if you win the fight and like defeat whatever that is, then like the necromancer still stands, basically. But what I was also thinking, what could be nice, but I don't think we will implement in the end, is then like at the end, when you win, like the last frame is basically just...
Or your purpose is name to return your body.
It is. Like you return to your body and then you see that there's like an enemy as well in the room that you have to fight then. Like basically from the start of the game, you're all like, okay, I gotta get back to my body. But like as soon as you find your body, you're like, oh shit, there's something I have to fight now. And I was also thinking that like if you win, then like the last frame is just like how the like enemy, like the big boss, stands up again, but like with green eyes or something. So basically like you like resurrect him then as well. Which could be a cool like second twist, I guess. So that doesn't do anything because they're, as soon as they are summoned, then like everything is done already. So, now initialize scene, basically. So spawn necromancer, which is not a function that exists yet because we need to do it, basically copy paste that one, but like change it up a bit. Let's do -100 and plus 150 or something like that. Instance, wait, have I created a like necromancer thing here? I have not, but that is easy to do. Necromancer. So first we have character index and that. No, I mean, let's start. Let's start is true. Not fully that. Air control, true. Well, should start as false. False. Now, in here. Wait, have I already changed things? Oh, yeah, I have. Spawn necromancer in here. Like that. Addition there. Character.necromancer here. Which I haven't added yet. Here should be necromancer in here. Or that necromancer as well. Mancer that. Then we throw that. I mean, those need to be edited later. Player attack. I don't think I used the boss thing yet, right? No. That will be interesting in a second. But for now, let's ignore that. Current characters instance. That is not true. For now. That is something that we need to change then later on in the second phase. Now, how do I check if all of them are fully dead? I kinda need to go. I mean, I could do that with signals, but also differently. This is very spaghetti code as always, but I have an idea. Second phase. Yes. So in here we basically go for I in singleton dot pair all AI character instances. If not I dot fully dead. So if it's not fully dead, okay, so we go and say var in phase 1 is true. No, is false. And if one of them is not fully dead, then we say in phase 1 is true. No, wait. Yeah, it's true. Like that will switch only if all of them are dead. My phone was just vibrating like crazy, but I didn't get any notifications. What? What? Okay. Interesting. Oh, Discord, but like it didn't give me any notifications. Interesting. Oh, we got graphics for the necromancer. Okay, so we've got actual textures for the necromancer, so I don't need to draw some bullshit. How do I wait? How do I pull it from Discord? Save image. Oh my god, why does my Explorer have like 2 pixels in there? Game dev, Parajam here. Assets. Right. Necro idle. And save image. Sprites, characters, necro run. Like this. Okay, time to make the things. Where is it again? Here. Necromancer idol. Necromancer walking right, I think. Walking right is the one. So, we've got this one, which is 3 frames. 1, 2, 3. Why is it so tiny? And then we also have run. Oh, it's only 32, 32. Maybe I'll tell them to like upscale. But for now, that's good enough to test. We can always implement like scaling stuff later on. Wait, did I not? Okay. Wait, can I? Ah, cool. That's all Necromancer. So, now that we have these animations, we can actually spawn in the Necromancer properly, which is actually perfect timing of our artist there. If not, in phase 1, second phase, print, oh, AI did, starting second phase. Just like that. If, oh, not. Yeah. So, Necromancer, did I already recall that? Yeah. Let's see if I forgot something, or if we can immediately see him. He might be off screen. Wait. Let me spawn him at 0, 0 or something. Like either I fucked something up or he's off screen. Those are quite big values. Why are they all dead? Oh, right, because they spawned dead. He is not visible. Because, why? Oh, because we don't have an idle left. And, oh, right, because, right. I forgot to create the other 2 things as well, and like I named it wrong. Even though we don't have that yet, or like maybe at all, because like the idle one. Okay, interesting. Yeah, my laptop is acting up lately. Idle left. So I might just do the same thing as in the idle right. 2, 3. Walking left, I'll just do the same thing. Wait, can I mirror it easily here? No, I can't. Okay, then I'll just leave that. I'll just leave it like this right now, and we worry about that later. So. Ah, cool. There he is. There's a little necromancer. So, once all of them dead, starting second phase. Cool. I mean, this should only be triggered once, I guess, but that's fine for now. I should probably make a necromancer, like save the necromancer thing somewhere, like the. Yep, I should do that. So, let's just do this here. Our romancer instance is null. Then in here we save the instance singleton.necromancer instance. Actually, I don't need to make that in like. I don't need to do that in singleton because it's only used in here. So let's do onReady. Necromancer instance is equal instance. And in here, we then say necromancer instance dot player control is true, which means we can then move the player. And then we need to do a bunch of other things. But let's see for now if that works. Okay, we can't move him yet. And can't move him now either. Didn't I just have to use that? Wait. Oh, and is that thing also needs to be set when he's revived? Okay, so zoomed in necromancer dead. Then 3-second timeout. Necromancer instance dot dead is false. Let's put that in here. That's the same one, I guess. Right, because now it counted as dead. That's why problem. Oh, and he immediately is. Okay, now I can control him. Oh. Ah, that was because when player control is wrong, it just goes there. So I need to set its navigation target as well. Which is movement target position. Also, I think I got another message somewhere. Oh, different. Okay. Now we also, when spawning him. Wait, that's the wrong script. That's why I didn't find it. In here, we set instance dot wait, let's set that here. So it's basically the same thing. Instance dot navigation, nope, dot movement target position is the same. So he basically just stands still. And then later on we do the same thing but with player position. Because that's actually the boss. And then we might have to switch that around, but we will see. Instance, that is necromancer instance that is doing that here. So at the beginning, just standing around. And then now that's not what I wanted. Oh, if not player control, that okay. Then it just goes there. You might need a special case for that. Unless I figure out a clever way to do it. Right, if I go and say player control, which should be this one, is true. Then he'll just move whenever I press something, right? Oh, I have an idea. Yeah, he just moves whenever I press something. Except I have a really stupid, really hacky way to do that. I could set his willpower to 100, which means that, or like to 1, like 100%, which means that like I have nothing to say, like because he overpowers me, no matter what. And then yeah, I just reset it when the second phase hits to like 0. That, which actually could work easily. But willpower is 1. And then when the second thingy hits, necromancer instance that. And then here, I think I don't need to put player thing. Do I need to put player control then or not? Actually, I don't know. Wait. Let's see. Currently, he's not reacting to my inputs. Now he's reacting to my inputs. And now he is as well. Oh yeah, also I need to reduce his range. Oh, but like the range is used as a global thing everywhere. Oh my god, how often is... Wait. Yeah. Okay, only 6 times. I might... Oh, I mean, it was stupid to begin with to like hard code that so that's the same for every character. Okay, slowly I'm thinking that a special case for the boss would make more sense. I'm not sure though. Special case for like walking for the boss or like, I mean, changing the range depending on boss or like depending on character would also make sense. Like I probably should have done that in the first place. And like basically I should replace that by current range. Like setting, like making, like adding the range as one of these thingies here. Like the parameters. Unready var attack range equal to singleton dot basic character range. And it should be, wait, attack range should be that for alive. It should be that for dead. Should be that for undead. Fully dead, I don't know, 0. Doesn't matter. Fighting boss gives the same thing. Boss, I don't know, times 2. And necromancer starts out with 0 as well. And then we also need to like load this in here. Is basically this. Except here we don't have character index, we have attack range. So now we just need to replace this everywhere with this. Like the entire thing. In here. And here. And we also change it in here. And that's that. Means now Necromancer has 0 range, which means he walks like he doesn't like get close to the position where he wants to walk. He gets exactly to the position. I don't know why I've had any influence over him, considering that his willpower is 100. Or like, no, by now it should be 0 because it's the second phase. Right now I can't move him? Okay, now I can move him though. Like basically the same as like everyone else. That. And let's in here. And spawning the necromancer. And that. Because like when that is 1, it should just like not let me control it at all. Okay, it is 1. Or do I need to change player control to false or true? Or like whichever the other one is? False. That help like at all? Nope. Okay, that just means that he's walking towards the enemy. So I need to like set it to true. Oh, that's loaded already. Like I'm setting current childhood willpower, not willpower. Why do I have like this though? Why do I have like a global for this? Like I can't just, no. Okay, that makes no sense. Let's get rid of that. Willpower, current char, willpower. Hello. I'd like to replace this entire thing. So, perfect. Now it makes sense. Okay, now I cannot move him. Also, he's glitching around like crazy because setting the range to 0 is a little bit too much. So let's set it to like 5 or something. It's also basically 0, but not entirely. Okay, now it's just standing around. Still. Okay, now he should like let me control him, but that doesn't happen. Oh, second phase willpower is 0, not 1. Which should now let me control it as soon as like everyone else is dead. Yes, exactly. Why is he still trying? Oh. I mean, his movement speed is slow as fuck. I think that is just because it got randomly rolled and not set by me. Try it again. Yeah, that is way quicker. I mean, I still need to make it like, I kind of still need to make a special case for him because I don't want him to like go anywhere at all, even if I'm not pressing a button. Like that's the difference between him and the other characters. So I should make that a special case in the navigation thing. Which I can easily like check if character player control and that. I mean, I can just say if that necromancer. Yeah, I input this 0. Wait, then I wouldn't have had to worry about the willpower thing at all. Or that range. I'm stupid. I'm still gonna keep that in here. And the willpower thing I can also get rid of. That, and also in here. Movement target position also doesn't matter. Move target position, rid of that. Because it should just always be set to 0 for that character. Okay. Right, I still need the willpower thing because I forgot. I need the willpower because that means that I can't control them. Was a different problem. The movement target position, that one we can get rid of. Don't need that print, and movement target position can also go away. And then test that once again. Okay. And control all of these. Guy just stands in the middle. Now I can control him. Okay, cool. Now it just needs to be like able to like attack and get damage. And like need fixed thingies. Okay. Like I'm thinking the boss should hit for a lot of damage. Let's say 30 or something like that. But he should hit slow. The character should kind of be... Well, leave him... Nah, I don't want him to have random stats. I think all the bodies to have random stats is a good idea, but like our main character basically in the end should have like fixed stats. So let's say like 10, but like with a lot of dex. Let's say 50 or something. That's like super fast. I mean, no, he should be significantly stronger than like all the other ones. Like, let's say 30 dex or something like that. And why am I like fine-tuning this without being able to test it? Because I haven't implemented the attack yet. Good question. I don't know. I cannot tell you. Now. Player attack. Wait, have I done input? Nope, I have not done input like at all. So let's copy these things. Know where to put them. Just put them up top. Just an if. Sorry for being muted there. I feel like I need to put a handoff between like the mob, like the boss, and like the player character. Because wait, what things have I like reused from the player character for the boss? There have been a couple. Like current player strength and current character, that kind of thing. So in phase 2, the character should like behave completely like an AI again. So like with reversed stuff. I'm doing this so complicated, it's incredible. Okay, wait. I think I need some crayons to like explain what's happening. So in generally, when we have like the player, wait, we have like player, and we have AI. So in general, that has like that is implemented in the layer above, that is implemented in the layer below. Like that's implemented in like the level script, which like then has like the character script below. And like that is implemented in the character script when that is attacking. Oh, wait, when the player is wait. Or was it the other way around? Impressed, attack ready, current character dot attack, right? That's cooldown. Oh, wait, that's okay. It started in the same, but like, okay. If it's undead or boss, which means the player, then like the function is, yeah, the function is one layer above. Now, in the boss fight, I've done it basically the other way around. Because in the boss fight, we have like the player is controlling all of the dudes that are basically like a mix of like these two in the way that like they are auto attacking. So like these guys are still handled below. I think. Wait, no. Fighting boss. Yeah, they're basically punching up. Yeah, this is still handled in here. Even like all of them are handled below. And boss is handled like the same as the player input above. Now the problem is, in the end, in phase 2, these two are fighting. And I cannot use the same function for both. Except if I change it slightly. But like that is the problem I'm currently having. Now, how do I do this? I mean, I could use this variable that I introduced for like basically exactly this and not used. And I just need to check. Wait, am I saving the boss instance somewhere? I don't think so. I am not. So let's do that. Whoops. Except, wait, I think I'm saving it in Singleton as like the current character instance, right? Yeah, current character instance. Yeah, I feel like I need to like do a handoff thing here. Or not be stupid and use like the save the instance as something else. Okay, let me just start implementing it like this. Let's see how far I get before like something tragically goes wrong. It was... Wait, let me reduce all of these so I can easier find stuff. So if was this and should I just like add the... Should I add the instance of the necromancer to all character instances, which means it would get checked in here as well? No, because like that's a different thing. I don't think I'm using character damage for player stuff. No. I'm just, at this point, I'm just abusing almost every function for 3 different type of characters that were completely different. So... Think... I mean, I just basically need to do the same. Necromancer instance. Actually, since the necromancer is never fighting when the NPCs are there, like we avoid friendly fire in all circumstances, we can like just check that anyways. Which is a terrible idea actually, but it's fine. Mouse vector we get from the function below. That one just depends on this. Basic attack angle. Yeah, we should probably change that somewhere else as well. Oh, here, basic character range. Okay, I think do we change that to be the boss? Or do I just say everyone has the same character range again? It would be cooler if we don't all have the same character, the same like range and cone where we attack. I'll just write that down as a known bug for now. Okay. Also, I didn't delete that known bug that I fixed. All characters have the same attack range and with okay, I'll just write it down and worry about it later. So basically we want to redo all of that as well. Basic attack angle, enemy pass total length, which just depends on that. that. Okay. If boss I equal necromancer instance, else I equal boss instance. And I think that's all it needs to do, right? Nope. Var I, okay. Not, what do you mean not declare? Oh. Var I. This? Yeah. So what that is doing now, if the attack is coming from the boss, we say the receiving instance is the necromancer instance. Else we say it's the boss instance. And then like we calculate if the instance is within the cone that we set. And if yes, then damage. Oh, but like character. Oh, I have not repurposed that. I have not repurposed that function, so I need to also make a difference here. If boss player damage, nope, wait, it was singleton dot player damage. Strength is boss instance dot current jar dot strength. And else it's basically the same. Except here we have boss damage. And here we have necromancer instance. And I think that should now work. Now let's in here do this. And this. Oh, current player HP. Now we also... Oh, these stats... Like the current player HP. Should also be set when taking over the necromancer, to the necromancer HP. Which should happen in here. Oh, but it should only happen once. Which we can do in a really stupid way. On ready for second phase triggered false. And as soon as we called that once, if not, second phase triggered is true. So it only happens once. And here we say singleton dot player, and player HP is necromancer instance dot current jar dot current HP or max HP? I guess max HP. Because we set it the first time, that's fine. We don't need to worry about the current HP of that particular character because it's not directly getting damage, I guess. Okay. So The boss is no longer dealing damage. Oh, wait, he is dealing damage. But not as quickly and not as much damage. Which is exactly what I wanted. Okay. Oh. Oh yeah, I should also set my play HP to like a ridiculous amount. But I now know that like he can deal damage to me and yeah, just one-shot me. That's cool. Max HP is set it to 1000 or something. And the boss HP should probably be like 10k or something. I mean, it's set in here, which I guess works. But also like move it to the other thing. Yeah, I don't know. This whole thing is a mess. As long as it's working, it's fine. It's not stupid if it works, right? That's how I program in here. So, he is rapidly losing HP. But he will survive that, I would assume. Yep. Okay, so, on cooldown inf. Oh. Okay, so I get damage from him. That was 30 and again 30. Oh, but I cannot attack because the on cooldown thing. The bug that I had before, where like if the current character isn't set and you try to attack, then your attack goes on cooldown like forever. Because it's like divided by dexterity, like yeah, cooldown is 10 seconds divided by dexterity, and if dexterity is 0, then that means you have infinite cooldown and can never attack, which I have ran into before. I just don't know why I don't have a current character here. Character. Oh, and that is also used in player attack, right? Oh, wait. Global position, that's fine, I guess. I'm not going to attack ready and attack. Oh, here we just set that to like the necromancer, I guess. That would make sense. Necromancer instance attack ready. Then necromancer instance. We don't need to care about that. Max attack cooldown divided by necromancer instance dot current jar dot x, not that. Okay, let's see if that fixed it. Okay, so I can like attack already. I should put like a first, okay, wait, let me do that actually. The second phase triggered. If second phase triggered, then we can attack. For that, we just stand around. Okay. So I can no longer attack. Try to like catch his attacks. The AI stuff.
That's a very sinister cloaked figure.
Yeah, it's very cool, right? Quite like it. Something wrong with attack. Probably no character. Oh, I know why. Something wrong with attack. Probably no character. The problem is that I didn't do that same thing for like yeah, for the what's it called? For the necromancer. I need
You can almost say Siny Sturgates.
true. Oh. Oh wait, we have another Avenged Sevenfold song. I didn't even notice that.
Sorry for the dad joke.
It's fine. We do enjoy an occasional dad joke in here. It wasn't the first, and it was sure as hell won't be the last. That should be the same. Wait, that necromancer thing should be the same as the undead.
Is that what your artist made?
Yes. That's one from our artist. 5 me.
That's
Or
very cool.
yes, I agree. Very much. I quite like that. So that should now also work. Yeah, I cannot attack. That is good. So can still not attack. Okay, now I can attack, but I can still not. I thought. Okay, I'm still going in here for some reason. Oh, the reason is because I forgot to write necromancer in here. How did I forget that? Ah, I was sure I did that. Okay. Time to test again. Just test like this, so I see the terminal output. Okay, this guy is... How much attack cooldown does this guy have? Okay. So now... Nope. I mean, I do get in there, but like it doesn't correctly get my mouse position. Why though? Why does it not? Oh, because I don't have the same thing up there. Like here, I just don't aim anywhere. If it's undead or necromancer, and I copied the ore as well, now it'll work. 4 times the charm, or the however many times that is. Okay. Catch some attacks there, and I mean, the aim changes, but it's not correct. Why is it not correct? Like down here it's correct. It's sort of like following where my mouse is, but it can't go over like 90 degrees or something. That's a weird one. Oh, current character. Wait, it shouldn't be current character. It should be self. Because it's like whichever character we inhabit at the moment. Like we only get in there anyways if we inhabit that character at the moment. I was kind of aiming from this guy on. So also have to like check the core gameplay loop then again. But now it's working perfectly. Amazing. So I can not damage him. Which is a bit unfair because he can damage me. Okay, interesting. That is very interesting. So, emit, aim, false, true. Connect both of these to that. Yeah. I guess let's go into player attack and just say print attacking and boss. So I know whether or not it's the boss. Also, let me double check if the undead attacking still works, but I'm pretty sure it should. It seems to, but I'm not sure. Let me try that again, but like with more luck. Oh, that one is out of range. Okay. Immediate soft lock. Oh my god, that guy is attacking like a laser. But I can still do stuff with this guy. That's very cool. So, boss fight. It should now like print every time like who is attacking basically. True means boss and false means character. So let me like just execute all of the undead. Come on, hit him. No. This one undead guy just refuses to die because dude has terrible aim. Okay, so attacking false goes through. The boss does not receive damage. It's boss instance. Oh, so something probably is going wrong there. Else print searched boss. Yeah. Oh, because I didn't wait. Minus current character dot global position. Ah, I know why. So current character is the boss. So if it's the boss, then that is 0, I guess. And like if it's 0, then it's weird. But we want minus the other one. So we just do this. Wait. Or enemy pass. enemy pass is equal to I is what is getting attacked. If boss, then that is the necromancer. And this here, that. I mean, that should be the same though. Now that I think about it, like if you swap them around, well, no, it would be looking in the other direction. So let's just do that and swap around necromancer instance, boss instance. And then that would hopefully hit. So give him a second to like get rid of all of the undead. Actually amazing how like visible it is, like which attack is coming from the bot that guy. Dodge through. Dodge pause. Okay, so that's working. Okay. He can still hit me. Oh, and I can now also hit him. That's very nice. Hmm. Now if I also implementing aiming would be very cool. But then I also need like 2 cases, like whether or not he's in second phase. That's it. That part is working. Copy. That one I can remove. Mm-hmm. Now I'm thinking about how to do like winning and losing condition in there. But like I think it's mostly implemented already because like we have this thing, like if player died true, was defeated true, and then we can just piggyback off of that basically. And we also have the game lost thing, which we can set if player died is true in the thing, the boss fight script. So like basically in the boss fight script we go and say ready, we say singleton dot player died. Nope. Player died is false. And in here, if singleton dot player died, print you lost, basically. Debug that. I will set my max HP to something more manageable. Proof, and before I forget that, Mm-hmm. So let's all of those away. Amazing. 70, 40. And you lost. Amazing. Oh, wait. And when I lose, then why does he stop attacking? I mean, that's good, but I don't know why. Oh, maybe he does. No. I actually don't know why. But I worry about that. Oh, I think it's what the fuck did I just press? Side. Oh, because I unbind the current character and set the player position to something else. I don't know. Wait, we don't get in here in the boss script because player control. Hmm. I don't know why he stops attacking. I mean, I guess something with current character? Like, we're not checking current character. Right? Mm-hmm. If it's alive, nope. If it's fighting boss, nope. I really don't know. That's walking. I really don't know why it stops attacking. I mean, I'll take it. That's pretty cool, but I have no idea why it does that. I mean, it would be cool if I figured out why it is, because then I could do the same when he dies. Hmm. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Do I ship that already, or do I want to make some changes before doing that? Mm-hmm. Now, something else we wanted to do. Hmm. That is sort of dependent on something someone else does, but that also like plays into the boss fight thing. Because we don't actually have all the instances of all the players. Well, we don't know that yet, but probably we don't have all the instances of all the of all the like characters that we can still summon. So what we're thinking about is just like backing up all of the stats of those characters and then like creating new NPCs from those stats. which would, well, basically be the same, but like be programmed differently. I guess implementing that doesn't make sense if I'm not sure if we do have the instances. I'm like 90% sure that we don't have the instances, but like those 10% are enough for me to not do that right now. So let me push that to main, and then fully implemented to face boss fight. Let's just say that. So let's push that to main and then work on some sound effects, I guess. So stash changes. Pretty sure I can discard those. Yeah, let's just discard. And merge. Feature boss fight. 3 conflicted files. What? Game scene. I have not done anything to that. Level generation and handling. And AI char. I've done a lot to those too. Let's start with game scene, where I just take current thing. Okay, I mean, the like incoming thing has a lot of different thing, but I have not changed anything, so I'll just accept current change. What do you mean accept both changes? That doesn't work. Pair changes? Wait, is it literally just that one line? What? I don't know. Accept current change because I didn't change anything. Keep that. Now these, I mean, I will probably know what's going wrong. Compare changes. Yeah. Yeah, I just changed it to singleton. Yeah, that I should take the incoming one. I'm not sure whether this is a conflict at all. I guess because the other one is like newer or something. No, this one will have a lot of conflicts, probably because of the same kind of thing. So that one we don't need anymore. That one, yes. Yeah, I mean, that's just the stuff I did, isn't it? Yeah, more complicated stuff. Yeah, that's just all the things I did. So accept incoming changes. Save. Wait, what do you mean 2 more conflicts? Oh, yeah, I have to press that everywhere. I thought it was taking care of all of them. And there we go. And let them know on Discord. Two-phase boss fight is implemented now. Is merged main now. To test it, you can run the boss fight scene. That's the wrong editor. Add local changes. So something I forgot to change was where it spawned the necromancer. Which I wanted to do like there or something. Like somewhere in the bottom left, kind of. Yeah, that's good. Let's also like push that quickly. Changed Romancer edition in boss fight. That's just a quick one to throw in there. Okay. I would do sound effects now. Unless someone has better idea of what to do. Okay. I think we will do sound effects though. Which, like, I have multiple programs that could do that. I think I'll take Cakewalk. There's no audio devices. What? Edit preferences, audio. Okay, good to know. I should probably also clean my, like, MIDI keyboard before doing that. New project. I don't know. Let's just take basic. Update available. Let's not do that now. Haven't I done that? Haven't I made an account? Hello? Can I? Why do you throw me a notification and when I click it, nothing happens? Hello? Well, X, I guess. Edit. Wait, where was it? What thing did it just tell me to change? The like sound audio settings. Where were those? I don't know. Project audio. No, audio files is wrong. I'm so close to just opening. What's the other thing called? Something with A, I think. I don't know the more common one. Anyways, I'll take a quick like 4-minute break or something to like clean my keyboard, which has been sitting around collecting dust for a while. And yeah, I'll be right back. Wait, I will just set that to 4 minutes. And yeah, I'll be right back, and then we try to make sound effects. Hi, I'm back. The keyboard was very dusty. Now it is only a bit dusty. Now how the fuck do I fit a third keyboard on my desk? There. On to the side. There we go. Fuck. Cables. Oh, on that note, where the fuck is the cable for this? Working on it. A second. Um, 1 second. Okay, I'm back, but like cables. 1 second. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now, I should probably like update what we were doing here. Where the fuck is that? Oh, that's not it. That's also not it. That's it. No. Overlay here. How do no? How do I do sound effects like that? Okay, and there we go. Perfect. Why is this still here? I can't do anything about it. Was connected to a system. Yes, add this device. No, I haven't used this in like a long time. Like the last time was on stream. If you haven't seen that, it might have been because it was a long time ago. Multiple things. How do I set like sound effects? Like how do I make the keyboard make sound, and how do I then hear that sound? Those are like the two big questions I have right now. I would know how to do that in like Ableton, but I know that like I have more plugins and stuff in here. I can't click it. Why? I'll just move it on the second screen. I'll just move it away. Oh, sound effects here. Audio effects. Cakewalk. This. Hello. Can I? Who? This. Oh no, I wanted to pause my music, but like, nope. Pressing buttons. Nothing happening. We will figure it out together. Everyone, keep calm. Yeah, take a hot drink of your choice and lean back while chaos unfolds, as always. That's not it, I think. Those are all like sound effects, not like MIDI. Nope. No. How, how do I do things? Okay, I have an alternate idea. Ableton Live 11 Lite, which I also have installed here because it's also free. But like with limited functionality, but that limited functionality will be enough for making like basic sound effects. Also have Audacity installed if we want to go very basic. Okay, but this should be good enough. Nothing, it's not reacting. Well, oh, it's reacting. Instrument rack. Effects. If you're wondering why that sounds so terrible, it's because the original also sounds so terrible. That's not the stream. It actually is like that. Okay, like I should probably like make this significantly quieter. Audio input device. Don't really use that right now. I mean, I could use my guitar. It is sitting there collecting dust. Or my other guitar. Or my third guitar. I could use one of the guitars. That's a maybe. What was messed out again? Why are there like 3 things on this side? Okay, wait. Instrument rack. Let's just small piano. Why is it loading so long? Also, why does this sound so terrible? Also, this is master, I just realized. Did I set it to... Oh. Oh my god. What is 93 latency? Okay. Okay. Sounds cool. Except we want some weird sound effects. So what do we have? We also need background music. So maybe. Maybe I should like write down, like go through a couple of effects and like write down what we could use that for. Background music. Sound effect. Also like kind of this like, you know, this like 16-bit music, like Game Boy thing would be kind of cool. I don't know how to make such an effect though. What the fuck is that? This sounds way too chill for our game, I think. I mean, sounds cool, but no. Synth lead. It sounds a bit aggressive. Also very loud. I don't know. No, not feeling it. Ooh, that's kind of like a 16-bit vibe. How did I do that thing at the beginning? Hmm. I don't know. Not feeling that one either. That one is straight up trash. That. But like maybe like a soft like background music, but like in a kind of spooky way. Also, I'm not like really thinking about any music theory stuff. I'm just pressing buttons and hoping it sounds good. Hmm. Not really. Gives kind of Resource vibes, no? I don't know. Oh, it's just playing like one chord, and like the higher I press, like the faster it plays that one chord, or what? What's the point of that? I feel like that one could work. I feel like that effect is okay. Let's make it a little bit louder for me. Left chord delay. That one doesn't fit our game at all. Ooh, this sort of has like this PS2 vibe to it. I don't know how else to describe it. Maybe have that like in the background and then like a stereo lead thing on top. Maybe. Let me write that down, that idea. Background. Thicket whale. That. No, not really. Not really feeling that one. Also not really. I mean, organ music kinda gives it a spooky vibe. If done right. The only problem is I don't know how to do it right. But we can figure it out. this could be like an occasional sound effect kind of thing. I don't know. I'm not feeling that one. What the fuck is this one? Who the fuck makes this? Maybe like mix that into... maybe for like the necromancy sound effect? Like, you revive someone and like it's... I'll write that down. Oops. That was not what I meant to do. What's it called? Metallo shake. Nah. Red paste probably not. No. That could be one for like the lead part of like background music. I'm gonna write that down for like lead. Mini free OSC bass. I don't know. Come on, guys, who left the microwave on? What the fuck is that effect? Wait, I skipped one there. Might as well have skipped that one. Oh. That's gonna make you uncomfortable. I like that. I'm gonna write it down as ambience. Hmm. I don't get that one. Yeah, that one. Okay. Oh my god, how many do I have here? I feel like that one is pretty cool. But it should be darker in a way. What the fuck? Hmm. Okay, that just sounds bad. This is just video game music by Seth Everman, basically. This effect. Okay, I'm gonna write it down. I don't know as what, but like, wait for games. ERP. That's pretty cool. Hmm. Why did it just crash? Like it was working while the error message was there. The fuck? Damn it. Why? Why would it do that? Um. Yes, please recover, even though it didn't do anything. Yeah. So where were we? Was I an instrument track? Ah, no. That's not yet where I was. Wait, what? I have too many things in here. Oh, what? This is sorted differently than the other one. Oh, I think I was here. Even though I didn't have a drum rack in here. Oh, that's just empty. Okay, never mind then. Oh, but like, I've not seen any of these. Oh, also these are like effects. I'm confused. Okay, that was a simpler thing. This looks very differently than it did like a minute ago. What? Where is the one that had vapor thing in it? Instrument rack. That's what I was searching. Huh. That's also a lot more than there was a second ago. What? Huh? Why is there so many more than there were a second ago? Also, I think I was like sorted alphabetically the other way. Yeah, because I started with like video game thing. Ah, now that looks basically the same as before. Okay, cool. Yeah, strings were kind of cool. That's kind of terrible. Don't like the high frequency parts in there. Like that kind of, me that sounds too futuristic, which like doesn't really fit our game style, I guess. I'm gonna assume that space arbor is more of the same. Oh, that's because the metallic. Oh, that's why we have like high frequency shits everywhere. Oh, now we're talking. Yeah, I kind of feel that one. I'm not sure for what though. I might just write it down here as well. I'm not feeling that. Oh, that's kind of don't like that one. No. I don't like that at all. What's here? Ah. Since when do I have so many things in here? What the fuck? Hmm. And that sounds like an evil laugh kind of thing. I don't know. Maybe I should just start with something. Okay, I might just pick a random one of these. What's that first one again? Wait, what? Ah, this one. Actually, nah. Let's scrap that one. I think that one's a bit better. People like that one. Like taking that as a background thing. I don't know. Do I want to do that? Or do I just try to like make some terrible like sound effects? Or should I just like let someone else do that because I have no idea what I'm doing in that regard. Okay, I'm just making weird noises. Someone else might know what they're doing. Yeah, I think I might just let someone else handle that. And on that note, I might call it a day because I don't really know what I'm doing. What else I should be doing now? Yeah. I just search for someone else who does the Pirate Game Jam. Pirate. Data, we already know that guy. How about we go to, oh my god, there's no way I can like type that correctly. We will try though. Flash rate, is it that? I think so. Okay. So we're gonna rate this guy. As always, thanks for watching. Hit the follow button over there somewhere. Yeah, join the Discord for early notifications before I go live. And yeah, we will see each other tomorrow and also in 2 days, which will then be the last day, right? I think it's Tuesday. Yeah, Thursday is the last day. Thursday might be a really long stream because I kind of want to, like, you know, cram as much as possible in there on the last day. And yeah, then see you then, and thanks for watching. Bye.